Today I'm playing the Animal Company update, which it happened like yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. But I'm just gonna complete the map if I can. I've already done it once, so I think I can try to do it again. It's kind of hard to do, especially on like the crawling thing. Well, not the vents part, but the one after the vents, like the one that looks like Office. I'm gonna bring this back.
Reset it is a word. No, it's not. That's insane.
I thought that would work. I'll just fine. There you go.
Yo, anyone want to go to the new map?
I'm heading to the new map right now.
New map.
Me too.
I saw it before and I thought it was.
Ow, ow, ow. Why is it making like the lava noises, like the lava map wires noise whenever I hit something?
Yo,
Is this the brother of lava map? Okay, I can't get killed by Nathan. If you watch the other one, yeah, his name's Nathan. I've memorized these vents. As a child, I yearned. No, Nathan, stay away.
Yellow light.
As a child, I yearned for the vents.
Yellow.
Oh, go away. I need to make a weapon fast. That's my weapon. I know how to make a quick weapon. Hey. Run for it. Go away, big booty man. Now, Nathan, be a good boy. Okay, I can't let Nathan lose his temper. I can't remember which way to go. I'm gonna go this way.
No, I got the new spell with the new
An
map.
arrow? What am I gonna do with an arrow? Smack him with it?
Because I'm already halfway there with this.
What if I picked up here? Let's go. Nathan be fat. Nathan is a good boy, I told you. He's harmless, totally. He's totally harmless. And by totally, I mean, nah, he's not. He's not harmless. He's, good. He's a good boy.
Are you serious? I can't
He's
find
just,
you guys.
he loses his temper sometimes. Nathan is my pet. He just gets angry. So, comment good boy Nathan if you love Nathan. We. No. Bro, I hate that thing. I'm not touching water. I'm pretty sure the water is what attracts it. Nope. I'm not touching the water. Because I know you can still get you up here. But as long as you don't touch the water, you're safe. I can't remember to go left or right, but I'm going. No, stay away. Don't let him see me.
Hello, I hear somebody.
Bro, he's like a moving cyst. It's so weird. I hate
Yo,
it.
I
Imagine I could hear you. No, where do I go? Now what do I do? How am I still alive? This is the second time I've made it past that. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can touch the purples. Can you grapple onto it? Yeah.
Guys,
Keep
he
that
can
one.
climb out here.
I know this big eye up, but I'm not sure what it does or if it hurt you. I also found out this new ore. I'm gonna take some with me. Let's see how much it sells for. What's going on with my hand? It's tweaking. My hand's tweaking. What is it meant to do? Make it so I
Gotta make so much money.
I'm trying to figure out how to exit. Because I know it's around here somewhere. There we go. Now get me out of here. Me and this weird ore that's like.
Does anybody own a big
Let go of
backpack?
me,
A blue backpack?
Mr. Ore.
Hog, are you here? Are you
He's like
coming to
controlling me.
the new map?
He's like controlling me. I can't stop it.
Yo,
I gotta
Hog,
make
where'd
it
you
quit.
go? I'm up here.
It's controlling me. It ate me.
Waiting for you.
I can't
I
make it.
didn't bring a
quit.
rocket,
Drop it down there.
so I
What
went
is
back.
going on with this thing? What if I just don't move?
Look, I glitched it.
I have to fit
Hey,
it in
you
the
wanna go
sewing
down to
machine
the lava
first.
zone with me?
Alright, I'm
Yeah,
at
what
the
is
crack.
going on
Just go
with-
down. Okay, I'm going down.
Hey, you wanna go down to the
You
lava
have a
zone with me?
teleport?
I wish, but
Because you
this
can
ore's
teleport
controlling
back
me. My arm is stuck. No, don't sell me! Don't sell me! Don't sell me! No, no, no.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, wait, did I not die?
Oh,
I
you're good.
feel
Okay, come on, come on.
alive.
You're not actually.
Only
it's
that's
down,
pretty
it
good.
was up.
I feel alive.
Well, you got a pickaxe and an automatic miner? Because we're gonna need
I'm
that.
at the vent.
Since when did I say yes? Whatever, I
Okay,
guess
I'm
I'll
coming
go.
either.
I'll just get. I'll go. Let me get my stuff though, which is probably gonna spend all my nuts. Okay, let's go. I only have 10k left. I swear if you
Oh, where did you go?
Okay, lava zone. I'm pretty sure it's
Gonna
at the
come
bottom.
and
Wow! Uh-oh, angler.
guys.
Bad boy. What's this thing?
I'm like,
Go. I'm not gonna tell him.
yo, people, DM, we're coming.
Ow. I'm out. And he doesn't even know. I'm gonna sit up here and play Smash
Yo,
Bros.
that.
Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Oh wait, no, I'm playing on the wrong thing. Beep, 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 beep. No, I lost.
What's
This is
up,
what
guys?
happens when I lose. What?
Oh,
I have to go
now.
chill in the hot tub, which is over here. I don't know why I
You
want
can
to stay here. Well, bye-bye, Drill.